Do you like gossip? Do you gossip? Yes, let's see who are the people who gossip, what happens when they are gossiping, and what happens when you hear somebody telling something about you. Welcome to my channel Positivity with Geeta Iyengar. Yes, we are going to discuss, I would rather say just talk about this very funny word and a very disturbing word called gossip. Many times, what do we people say? Define gossip. What will you say? Do you gossip? चुगली करना किसी के बारे में, आप किसी के बारे में उनके एब्सेंस में, जब वो नहीं रहते हैं तब आप उनके बारे में कुछ बात करते हैं. देखिए, मैनी टाइम्स वी इंडल्ज टॉकिंग अबाउट अदर्स. अपने बारे में बात करते हैं वो अलग बात है. मैं ऐसी थी, मैं अच्छी थी, मेरा सब. यू गो ऑन प्रेजिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ और यू क्राई अबाउट योर सेल्फ. बट अगर किसी के बारे में उनके एब्सेंस में जब बात करना, जब वो नहीं है, मौजूद नहीं, वो जब मौजूद नहीं है तब आप उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना, उसको गॉसिप, उसको चुगली कहते हैं, चुगलखोर कहते हैं. एंड डू यू लाइक दैट? यू I mean, if you say, I don't like it, suppose somebody tells you, you know what, that lady told this about you. She said you are useless. She said you don't work at all. Anything bad, if somebody comes and tells you, they enjoy telling you because they like to see how you are suffering, how you are getting the pain and getting hurt. So you know, this is what they were talking about you. They said that she is useless. एक पिन का काम नहीं करती है वो, बेकार है, आलसी है, ऐसी है. And they like to tell you more than they would have said. It may be a rumor, it may be right, it may be wrong. But वो बोलते हैं और आपका चेहरा देखते हैं कि आपके चेहरे में कोई चेंजेस आते हैं कि नहीं, बदलाव आता है कि नहीं. एंड क्या होता है, नॉर्मल ह्यूमन नेचर इज़ वॉट, जब आपके बारे में कोई इतना बुरा बोले तो आप क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ यू गेट इरिटेटेड, से हाउ डेयर शी सेड दिस अबाउट मी. और यू वोंट बिलीव, आप उनके बारे में भी आप बुरी बात कर लेते हैं. दिस इज़ हाउ ए कम्स एंड टेल्स बी अबाउट सी, and then B starts talking about C. Then again that A goes to C and says, this is what this B told about you. कई बार वो बोलते हैं कि अरे किसी को काम धंधा नहीं होता है, कुछ करने के लिए नहीं होता है, तो वही ये चुगली करते हैं, यहाँ की बात वहाँ करते हैं. और अगर बात सच्ची हो तो कोई बात नहीं, कीजिए, लेकिन वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं होता है, उसका बुनियाद भी बुरा होता, मतलब झूठा होता है. देयर इज़ नथिंग ट्रूथ अबाउट इट समटाइम्स, बट यू लाइक टू क्रिएट दिस काइंड ऑफ एन एटमॉस्फियर which may be very unpleasant for the one who is listening. Then what do you do at that time? So many times we hear, or somebody said, you know what, they were talking like this about you, better behave, better dress up properly, she said you're wearing jeans, she said you're eating non-veg, she or he said that you're running after that man or that woman, or you are having an affair. All kinds of rubbish people can come and talk to you because that person is not present. Now what is important here is, how are you going to react to this? Are you going to react बट नेचुरल, क्योंकि हमारा नेचर ही ऐसा है ना. अगर हमारे बारे में कोई बुरा बोले तो फर्स्ट थिंग से what the hell, I mean, you think I'm like that? I am not like that. That one, instead of talking or defending yourself, you start putting the other person down. जो तुमने बोला कि उसने आपके बारे में ऐसे बोला, अरे तुमको पता नहीं, वो ऐसी है, वो वैसी है, तो ये जो बीच वाली है वो जाके बोलती तुम्हारे बारे में उसने ऐसे बोला. क्या आपकी ज़िंदगी इसके लिए बनी है? Don't you have better things to do? If you really look at this whole situation, you will realize people who have nothing to do gossip. But of course, gossip, there is positive gossip and negative gossip. ये positive अच्छा है, कोई नहीं कहते you know what, उसने इतना अच्छा अपनी ज़िंदगी को संभाला है. How well she's educated, she's managing so well, he or she is doing so well, such a nice person, and we all like his company. That is positive gossip. Negative is वो जो भी हो, you have no right to talk about that person in their absence, but many people do. Now the problem here is, क्या करेंगे अगर आपके पास कोई आ रहा है बार बार आपके बारे में बोलेंगे, तो you change the topic, remain calm. He said, okay, tomorrow I'm going to meet that person, and let me tell you, gather courage, go to that person and say, I heard that you said this. Now again, it's not nice, because again you are getting into that rut. So the best way is to avoid, change the topic, and tell that person who comes to you with gossip, please stay away. Don't tell me all this crap stories about people. I don't like to listen about things. It may good things I will listen, but bad things I don't want to listen. Please don't do that. But I will, don't ignore, don't avoid their company. Many times we do that. I have avoided whenever I've heard something in the beginning. I say I'll never talk to that person, never call them, I will avoid them. But things won't change. These people will still keep on gossiping. So the only thing is you ignore, and in over a period of time, they will know what you are really. And then that gossip doesn't matter. Many times we say great minds, they discuss ideas. Average mind will discuss events. Small minds will gossip. They will discuss people. Discussing people, there's nothing wrong, but what you discuss about them, how is it going to help you? उनके बारे में इस तरह से बात किस लिए करते हैं? आपके पास इतना, यू आर बोर्ड, यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू विथ योर लाइफ. आप कितने बार चैनल टीवी देखते रहेंगे? क्या करेंगे? आपको बोर होता है तो चलो इसके बारे में बात करो, उसके बारे में. ऐसे हम, आई एम जस्ट कमिंग टू योर हाउस, जस्ट फॉर अ चैट, एंड द चैट एंड्स इन टू गॉसिप, which is very ugly. It takes a very ugly turn. I don't think we are born as the highest evolution form, as human beings should indulge in such activity called gossip. But at the same time, gossip of a general kind, in this company this happened, in that movie this happened, a general kind of a gossip which covers everybody, that is something very funny, very jovial, and you're happy about it. That is fine. But personally pointing out somebody's weakness behind their back because they are not there. Now, one more thing you can do is, whenever somebody comes and tells you, because they want to see your expression, they want to feel low, then you observe and then tell them, I also heard about you like this. I heard this, I heard that, and you try to beat them at their own game. You can try doing that, but of course, asking me, I think it's a waste of time fighting or arguing with such people who come with stories about people who are not present there at that time. It's a waste of time, waste of energy. So the only thing you can do is be calm and change the topic, or you keep yourself so busy. Many times you don't have to meet people. If you come to know that they are oh my God, she's coming to my house, gone my day, then you can say, I'm not at home, or I'm very busy. There are different ways of avoiding. But if that person may have many good qualities, one of her quality may be to gossip, then it's not worth giving up that friend. So you ignore all these things. Try to make friends with her and change the topic. So life offers you different kind of people. Everything happens that finally you have to be at peace. You have to be happy. How will you do that? So gossip will be there. Just because I don't like gossip and I'm avoiding, it doesn't mean it doesn't happen. But if it is something funny, everybody laughs, but not demeaning somebody, you laugh at some general joke which doesn't affect anybody. That is fine. But always remember not to make personal remarks about somebody which you don't even know. Even if it is right, still we don't have the right to discuss and put them down. So friends, remember that if you are going to spend your time talking about somebody, I would say spend a lot of time thinking about yourself. Work on yourself and see how best you are not going to do this gossip by hurting somebody and making somebody sad. One life we have. Let us be happy. Let make others happy. So thank you, friends, for listening to me. So let's not gossip to bring pain in others. Let's gossip in a general way to make everybody happy, and some funny events which makes us happy, makes everybody happy, which doesn't touch anybody's personal lives. So bye till then. We'll come again next time with another topic. Take care.